Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on how to empty your Nespresso machine. The main reason I wanted to do that was because I plan on not using it for a while, and there is a special functions mode that you can do when you're actually going to go on a trip, or let's just say you're using different machines, or for whatever reason. This is separate from or different from descaling or a cleaning process. And actually, the main reason I'm doing this is because I just got a new Nespresso machine. It's actually back here. It's the Vertuo Pro, and I actually did a unboxing video on that one. But yeah, let's get into this one. The first thing you want to do is make sure you empty out your water tank. You want to empty the capsule if there's any in there. So you lift it up, let that go out. You see, it's kind of, I've had it for 4 years now, so it doesn't dispense it by itself. Kind of push it back now. Close it. You want to turn it off. So you hold down for 3 seconds, I believe, and it just turns off. There you go. To get into the special functions menu, you hold the button and the lever down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There it is. And you have a steady orange light. And to get into the empty cycle, I forget what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. You just press this down twice. 1, 2. And there you go. The light's blinking. And that means it's ready to go. So you press it, press the brew button. It should be a really quick process. I don't expect a lot of water to be in there. Okay, so there you go. This is all the water that came out of there. It was a fairly quick process. The machine turns off by itself after it's done. And the instructions say that it blocks out for 10 minutes. Not exactly sure what that means, but I believe you can't use it for 10 minutes afterwards. Thanks for watching. See ya.